Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something that's pretty common but can be a real bummer: breaking a bone. Nobody wants it to happen, but when it does, it's pretty amazing how your body kicks into gear to fix itself. So, let's chat about what actually goes down when you snap a bone. Imagine your bones as the strong, sturdy framework of your body, kind of like the beams in a house. They're designed to be tough, but sometimes, if there's too much force, like a fall or a hard hit, they can crack or even break all the way through. When that happens, it's called a fracture. And trust me, you'll know it. Usually, there's immediate pain, swelling, and you might not be able to move that part of your body. The first thing your body does when a bone breaks is send out an SOS signal. Blood vessels around the break tear, and blood starts to clot, forming a kind of protective mesh around the broken ends. This clotted blood, called a hematoma, is actually super important because it provides the initial scaffolding for the repair job. It also helps to stabilize the broken pieces a little bit. Next up, your body starts to clean house. Special cells arrive to clear away any damaged tissue and bone fragments. Think of them as tiny little cleanup crew members. While this is happening, other cells called osteoblasts, don't worry about the fancy name, just think of them as bone builders, start to produce new soft cartilage, kind of like a soft, flexible bridge connecting the broken ends. This stage is called a soft callus. Over the next few weeks, things really start to get serious. Calcium and other minerals are deposited into that soft callus, making it harder and stronger. This transforms the soft callus into a hard callus, which is still a bit lumpy but much more rigid. It's like your body is laying down new, stronger material to rebuild the structure. Finally, over the next few months, your body continues to remodel and strengthen the new bone. The extra lumpy bits get smoothed out, and the bone gradually returns to its original shape and strength. It's a slow process, but your body is incredibly good at it. So, while breaking a bone is no fun, it's pretty awesome to see how your body is a master at self-repair.